Hi, my name is Tsahi Levent-Levi of blog Geek.me, and I want to talk about integrations this time. We've discussed a lot about the infrastructure and the devices. I want to look at the edges of your service, what happens outside the live video platform. And the question to ask is your service an island? Does it live on its own, or does it need to interact and integrate with other types of services? And there are three common integrations that I want to touch. The first one is recording. Sometimes you're going to need to record the video in order to be able to play it back later on. And there are things that you need to look at. There are streams or a combination. Let's say this is a group call of 5 participants and you want to record it. Are you going to record it as 5 individual streams or one combined stream that has all of them together? There are the file container formats that you are going to use. Which video codec will be recorded at the end and on what file container. This will indicate how you are going to play it back and where. And then there is storage location. Are you going to store it in the cloud, inside the live video platform service? Or are there compliance issues that will require you to actually take that and store it elsewhere, privately in your customer service or in your system? Okay, so take into account these things when you choose a platform and you need recording. Then there's the issue of streaming, broadcasting. What's usually been done today is that we take Flash and then we throw it towards a CDN, a content delivery network. So what will happen is this: your live video platforms work live. This is what happens in real time. When I want to stream or to broadcast, I need to convert whatever it is that I'm doing to Flash, to RTMP, not really Flash. And RTMP gets streamed to the CDN in real time. From there, I can go to HLS or MPEG-Dash, which are both video streaming services that add a bit of latency to the stream, but are very popular today and work across different devices and across geographies. The other alternative, which is also quite popular today, is to take the RTMP stream and to push it into YouTube Live or to Facebook Live or to other live services like Twitch. Okay? The idea here is that I create content, I produce content, live content, over my application and platform, and then I go and stream it elsewhere in order to increase the viewership of the things that I'm doing. Another alternative altogether would be to do everything inside WebRTC and using cascading, stream and broadcast it to larger audiences. The third integration I want to touch is SIP interoperability. SIP is used when we want to do voice over IP that is unrelated to WebRTC. So you've got your own video platform, your own island over here. That's the live video platform that you've decided to use. And let's say you want to connect it to phones and do phone calls over PSTN or to an IPPBX inside an enterprise. In order to do that, you need to be able to interoperate with SIP. Okay, you can either get that from the live video platform or not. Another high level of integration would be to video room systems, which also use SIP. And then questions like, will it support the video streams? Is there? And then the next question would be, does it support BFCP for presentations? Okay, BFCP is used to screen share a presentation next to the video content, and that's done in a different way in WebRTC and probably in a different way in your live video platform. So remember, when you look at a live video platform, look also at the integrations that you are going to need and try to fit them into the vendor that you are going to select. See you next time when we're going to look at the things that need to be checked when you pick a live video platform. Thank you.